Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Praneeth and I'm watching PR vlog. So in this vlog we are going to unbox a new fridge, that is new Samsung 5-in-1 convertible fridge. So let's get started. And first, if you go for this will come with 3-star rating, and second one it will come with 10 years warranty, and if you talk about volume it will come with 324 liters, and it works with inverter and inbuilt stabilizers available, and it will come with 5-in-1. So let's talk what is that 5-in-1. So first one is smart convertible extra fridge mode, and second one is seasonal mode. Third one is vacation mode. Fourth one is mode smart convertible refrigerator mode, and fifth one is home alone mode. Let's talk about smart convertible home alone mode. You will not just have fridge that keep fruit fresh for long, but also it will give you up to 15 days freshness, and also freezer that gives you ice faster than even before. So you learnt about normal mode, that is home alone mode. And let's talk about extra fridge mode. Get extra storage by converting the freezer into fridge. When you bring home more bags that you can convert the freezer into fridge and go and get more space. So what is seasonal mode? Switch off the freezer when you don't use it. With the seasonal mode you can switch off the freezer while keeping the fridge operational and save energy, and even you can save even current. So vacation mode, designed especially for times when are you going on vacation and you have to store some food in the freezer, so you can save food in the freezer. Yeah. So home alone mode is for sometimes when are you alone at home, you don't have to store lot in fridge. You can switch off the fridge space and use the freezer as mini fridge. And let's talk about the degrees. To change bottom fridge temperature, press fridge power cool button, then select temperature, leave it into 3 degrees in normal. So this is the back side of the fridge, and for freezer, press power freezer button, then select temperature. To off freezer, press hold and freezer convert it to 3 seconds. So this is today's video. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye guys. See you in the next vlog on my channel. And more videos are coming soon. Like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for more and regular videos. Bye guys. Thank you.